Oh yeah, sir.
This is how you order. These are kiosks. It's only one. And this is the seating area. It's pretty small.
They want no contact.
Yeah, this is like COVID. So this place is pretty much no contact. Like you have to get everything on your own. There's one kiosk where you can see the people ordering, and I guess they call your number and you go to that pickup window and pick up your stuff. I think my only concern about this being open is there's a lot of homeless people. And I'm like, do they not come out there and just like take stuff? Like, I don't know. I don't know, because everything is pretty much open. The cups are open, forks, everything. So anyways, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, you can't sit inside. It's just those bar stools over there. And you're pretty much sitting outside, or you take it to go. So we're gonna take it to go because it's about 40 degrees out.
Floor going up to my quarters.
Embarrassing. We cannot find
The Chipotle sauce. I think it's called the Firebird.
I'm cleaning the crew mess.
This is the Firebird. This is the Chipotle sauce and fries. The fries are delicious.
Exactly.
I'll show you the photo.
Bus from the captain, so
And sweet tea. I forgot about that. It's called, what is it called? Apricot homemade sweet tea. Here we go again. My favorite mirror. Looking on, girl. My guy says to say I look like a rich auntie, y'all. I got my headphones in. I forgot. Very pretty bar. Oh, up to the table. Thank you. So we're at the Roaring Fork, and this is what the menu is hitting for. They have a big ass
We're pretty much having dinner.
burger, the wine list, cocktail list, beers.
Thank you so much.
Tortilla soup.
Yes. And you got fries?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I didn't expect that much asparagus.
Is that the Roaring Fork? Okay, so we're headed to the Blind Spades Afrotech event. We just finished having dinner at the Pigeon Fork at the Steamer F. Austin Hotel. So we're excited. Let's see how this event goes. I can't play spades, so let's see.
Joker, okay, tonight, and then we're going to switch it back to you tomorrow. But tonight is Joker, Big Joker, Little Joker, 2 down to 2 spades. We're going to put the rules back here so we'll never forget them. But right now, I need, where's Christina and Angelique? Where y'all at? Christina and Angelique. Can y'all hear me? Jackie and Jeremy, that's all. Jackie and Jeremy. Where y'all at, Jackie? Jeremy? And we got Harvey and Pamela. Harvey and Shannon Omar. Come to the DJ booth. Shannon Omar, we're ready for you. Somebody sing to me. They know they want to sing. Trivia for us in the building. Oh shit.
So we're gonna check out this bar. Oops, we're gonna check out this bar, see if it's still open. Looks like it is, but it looks pretty empty to me. Very empty. And they just closed. They said they were open until 1 o'clock, but clearly they are not. So we're basically wrapping up our trip, guys. Headed to, we're gonna be headed to lunch, and then we're gonna head to, we're basically heading to lunch, and then we're gonna head to a dessert spot, and then to the airport. So our trip is basically done. Guys, the trip is almost over. We're headed to get something to eat. It's been a wild ride. Had a really good time. We need to go check out and then get some barbecue. So, so we picked. You said that's free. Thank you.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it. Thank you so much. Cobbler beans, mac and cheese, complimentary bread, fries. That's what I got. Got biscuit, pork ribs, the beans, the mac and cheese, and the cobbler. She got the cream corn, the string beans, the turkey, pork, ribs, mac and cheese, and a banana pudding.
I get no fucking signal. I get no signal.
Let's see how it goes. I come back, probably not. My favorite side was the beans. It was so colorful. And the cobbler was cool. Mac and cheese, I feel like it was crab and cheese. Like I said, it's hard to, I haven't tried it because it's just too good. I'm tired of it. And the brisket was cool, but it was really hard to try. It didn't get more flavors, so just something else. Yeah, let's say the beans are my favorite thing. And the brisket was good, it just wasn't flavorful. And you said your cream corn was the best. Mm-hmm. And she said she liked the meat. And you gotta try that banana pudding.
Not yet.
Oh, that's 10-4. But yeah. Very relaxed. Afrotech, folks. Bye, Tory Blacks. Big ass sign. Back in Uber. I don't know if I would go back to Terry Black. I think, yeah, no. Yeah, I wouldn't go back. The service was excellent though. The people were very nice. Yeah, I forgot the name of this place. I'm gonna let y'all know so y'all don't come here. This food is. And it's cold. Ooh, it's on my top. It's like limp. I'll pray for my scarf. Anyways, very disappointed in the Austin airport. Tell me why they don't have, what is it? Barbecue. Yeah. It's like, how does Austin, Texas not have barbecue food? Not have barbecue food at the airport. So surprised. And then all of the restaurants they do have only have 4 or 5 things on the menu. It looks like you can get whatever you want to drink, but other than that, they only cook 4 or 5 things. It's crazy. I don't even understand why they need 4 or 5 different restaurants when they all serve the same 4 things. Yeah, so ready to go back home. And then we tried to get a cowboy hat for Muchindu. And we can't find a cowboy hat in Texas. It's so crazy. Very weird. That's not what we saw. They spent $2, so just kind of a couple of some simple cupcakes because the mother home is in the children. Sprinkles and shit. I don't know how much these cost. Okay, so it's like this. I don't know, it's a little more expensive than Georgia. Than New York, actually. Well, one of those. Add to cart.
That's the way I want it.
Dulce de leche is my second favorite. And red velvet. Do I need this now? But I'm on vacation, so. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Touchscreen. And then you see it's over here.
70 million in the bank.
How do you pay? I did. Oh, check out. I agree. So this is total for 2.
Authorizing.
And then here it goes. Machine processing. Your product's on the way.
I love sprinkles. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. The best cupcakes in the world.
I don't want those. Why is the machine stuck, y'all? Why is the machine stuck? And this is not even what I want.
Chocolate, coconut, orange, red velvet, dark chocolate, peanut butter chip, banana, strawberry, cinnamon, sugar, vanilla, chai latte, black and white, mocha, lemon, coconut, pumpkin, peanut butter, chocolate, marshmallow, ginger, lemon.
That's not what I ordered. That's not what I ordered, and I ordered 2. Look at this. I ordered 2 and 1 came out. What the fuck? Where is my other cup? Where's my other cupcake? What the hell?
Why did I like start using afterwards? Because stuff
I didn't even order this one. Okay. I ordered a banana. And they gave me a red velvet and a black and white one. And my friend told me the black and white one was gross. So I got a red velvet and a black and white, and that is not what I wanted. I ordered banana, child. This is the one I ordered. I know I'm writing corporate, right? Okay, for sure. Let's get the machine number. They're not even giving you what you pay for. What the hell? And I want a banana because bananas always sold out in New York. And there's only one store in New York City now. Annoying.